Okay, so here I am up in the ceiling. Yeah, looks like I got critters. A pretty big hole right here. See, right outside. It's like woodpeckers maybe or something. Look at that, how they eat that. Down there, there's stuff, but looks like I just need to patch that. And then looks like there might be something back down there. I don't know, that might just be a storage. It looks like I got a hole there to patch. Right there. Put some sealant around all this. That'll do good. It does look like way back in the corner there I've got a couple potential problems. I'll have to reach back and crawl back there. But for the most part it looks pretty good.